today we're making Basil Coconut Prawn Curry. This recipe is fantastic because it's quick, it's simple, has very few ingredients, and it's delicious. It's one recipe that you just can't miss. Using Kara coconut cream, the curry is so creamy and delicious. Let's get straight to it. So first, let's take a quick look at the ingredients that you'll be needing. A 1/4 teaspoon of black mustard seeds, 3/4 to 1 teaspoon of mild chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of coarse grain black pepper, just about 1/3 teaspoon of sea salt crystals and more to season, and 1/2 cup of Kara coconut cream. You'll need water as needed, just a little bit, 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut oil or oil of your choice, 500 grams of fresh gray prawns, this is the weight before cleaning, 2 sprigs of fresh Thai basil, 1 long mild red chili as well as 1 small hot red chili. These have been sliced, 2 sprigs of fresh curry leaves, 1 lime leaf or kaffir lime leaf, and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. That's all you need, so let's get started. We're starting off by heating up a non-stick pan. To the dry pan, we're going to add all the cleaned prawns in one layer. So once all the prawns are laid in one single layer, we're going to add the turmeric powder, as well as the coarse grain black pepper. To this, we're also going to add 1/3 teaspoon of the sea salt crystals and just a splash of water. Not too much water. The prawns will release their own liquids, so we want to just cook these prawns till they turn pink or they're no longer gray and they change color uniformly. Keep adding a splash of water as needed. And once uniformly colored, quickly remove the prawns from the pan and reserve the liquid separately. And don't forget to rinse out that pan with 1/4 to 1/2 cup of water also. Now we're going to wipe clean the pan and then heat it again. To this, we're going to add the oil. As the oil heats up, we're going to add the mustard seeds. Adding these black mustard seeds adds a pop of flavor to your curry, so don't skip it. Wait till the mustard seeds have stopped popping. To this, add the fresh curry leaves. Follow this with 3/4 to 1 teaspoon of mild chili powder, as well as a dash more of that coarse grain black pepper, and a little bit of extra salt. Stir this, just wait for a quick sizzle, and then quickly return the prawns. Add the prawns in one layer, and just fry this on medium heat for only 30 seconds. And then we're going to flip them all over and fry the next side again for another 30 seconds only. So here I have my sliced red chilies and my julienne lime leaf. We're going to add this as well and then toss the prawns briefly till the chilies are fragrant. Next, we can add the freshly squeezed lemon juice, just about 1 tablespoon. And then toss everything together once more. And at this stage, we can return the reserved cooking liquids. And now we can add the coconut cream. So I have 1/2 cup of Kara coconut cream here, and it's at room temperature. Add this to the pan. Give it a good stir, and just bring back to a light simmer. Taste and adjust the seasoning. Add just a little bit more salt as needed, as well as a little bit more of that mild chili powder if you want a deeper, richer color. Simmer just briefly, and these prawns are so succulent. You can adjust the thickness of the curry by adding just a little bit of extra water. You don't want to thin out the curry too much. And then finally add the fresh Thai basil leaves. Stir and simmer just till those leaves are wilted. And you're done. Your basil coconut prawn curry is ready to be served. This is best served with plain white rice. And I hope you love this recipe so much that you'll be making it again and again. Do let me know if you enjoyed the quick video recipe down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!